consistency. Okay. Eigenvalues, eigenvectors, properties of eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Cayley-Hamilton theorem, the very important theorem in matrix theory, fundamental theorem, and the quadratic forms, reduction of quadratic form into canonical by orthogonal transformation, and nature of quadratic forms. These are the concepts in part one matrix theory. But going to unit two, you will cover differential equation types. Unit two is differential equation first order. You studied about differential equation of first order intermediate level up to homogeneous form. I think variables separable, homogeneous form, non-homogeneous form. So how to form the differential equation, you know very well. Topic ever. So in this, we are going to discuss exact differential equations. You need to cover only first order differential equation. How to solve first order ordinary differential equation for of various types. First content exact differential equation. What is exact differential equation and how to solve it? What is the procedure? Second, integrating factor. And a non-exact differential equations, you use integrating factor. Third one, linear differential equations. Fourth one, Bernoulli differential. Fifth, Riccati's, Claros, and their applications are orthogonal trajectories of the given family of curves. So, in this unit, we are going to study various at a certain first order differential equations and their solutions and their applications also. Unit 3 is about higher order differential equations. Unit 2 only first order, but unit 3 about higher order, second order, and third order. How to solve higher order differential equations? What types of second order differential equations are there? What is their procedures? Solutions of second and higher order linear homogeneous equations with the constant coefficients. Second topic, method of reduction of order linear homogeneous second order differential equations with variable coefficient. Third one, solutions of non-homogeneous linear differential equations. Method of variation of parameters and the solution of Euler-Kawasaki equations. So these are the contents in Unit 3. And Unit 4 is special functions. So there are some special functions in mathematics. Using those functions, we can evaluate improper integrals and we can solve complicated differential equations. So these are the applications. The applications of these special functions are that we can evaluate improper integrals. Very important topic this is. So in this special function, we have only three topics. Those are gamma function, beta function, and error function. And some special functions are there: Legendre function, polynomial function, and Bessel function. So using these functions, we can evaluate complicated integrals. Means improper integral. What are the meaning of improper integrals? Integral containing the limits are infinite. When the integral limits are infinite, those are comes under improper integrals. Such type of integrals can be evaluated easily using these special functions. We will discuss that. And unit 5, so it's not covered here. So unit 5 is nothing but Laplace transforms. Laplace transform is one of the tool using which we can solve differential equations shortcuts. So very simple way, simplest way to solve differential equations using Laplace transforms. So very important topic is also. So this transformation happens there. Laplace also the differential equation will convert it to algebraic equation using this tool. Differential any type of differential equation can be transformed to algebraic equation using Laplace transform. After getting algebraic equation, we can solve it using algebraic methods. Again, we convert the solution into continuous form. And actually, continuous form into discrete form into continuous form. This is called Laplace transformation topics. So there are some topics in the Laplace. So Laplace is very important tool. Using this tool, we can solve differential equation and we can evaluate improper integrals. This is also one of the tool to solve improper integrals. Okay. So here we start unit 2, that is differential equations of first order. Okay. So dear students, so first let us recall some terminology in differential equations. Already you have studied in 10 plus 2 level. So first question is, what is the definition of differential equation? Anyone? How to define differential equation? Students.